Chamagiro. But starting off tonight, we're starting off, of course, with the outbreak that has gone global. That is, of course, the coronavirus. What is the current situation? Currently, we are having 87,137 confirmed cases from, of course, 58 countries, resulting in 2,977 deaths. And of course, a couple of world events were cancelled, the courtesy of still coronavirus around the globe. And one of it, of course, was the Mobile World Congress. Well, this is the world's biggest mobile phone trade show that was actually slated to take place in Barcelona on the 24th and 27th. But the high-profile annual event attracts some of the world's most prominent tech and telecommunication companies. It was cancelled. The Facebook Global Marketing Summit, this was cancelled. It was scheduled for Monday next week, but the company say the decision was made in an abundance of caution. So these are some of those events. And of course, carrying on, we had the Chinese Grand Prix, a global motor racing competition, Formula One, also postponed the Chinese Grand Prix due to happen on April 17th due to coronavirus precaution. China's National Congress, People's Congress, it was equally scheduled to happen this week, but it was cancelled because of coronavirus. Well, it's the first time in decades that a country has been forced to postpone this kind of event. And of course, notwithstanding a couple of others, religious pilgrimages in Saudi Arabia, the Saudi government announced it's temporarily banning tourists from entering the country that it's home to the Muslim holy cities of Mecca and Medina. And of course, the Serie A matches, 6 matches over the weekend were cancelled over the outbreak of coronavirus in Italy. Well, of course, as that is happening, a raft of measures have been put in place by the Ministry of Health, of course, to prevent the spread of virus in Uganda. One of them is wash your hands with soap and water or use alcohol-based hand rub, and avoid handshaking and hugging at all times. Cover your mouth and nose with tissue or handkerchief when coughing and sneezing. Do not spit in public or find a secluded place like a toilet or pit latrine in which you can spit in. And of course, maintain a reasonable distance between yourself and someone who is coughing or sneezing. Among others, of course, they're saying that avoid touching your eyes, nose and mouth. Hands touch many surfaces which can be contaminated with the virus, and you can transfer the virus from the surface to yourself. And 7, if you have a fever, cough and difficulty in breathing, seek medical care immediately. And people with a flu-like symptoms should use face masks to cover the nose and mouth and stay home in a well-ventilated room. Well, clean and disinfect frequently touched surfaces such as doorknobs, handles, car doors, elevator buttons, etc. daily with regular household disinfectant or soap. And then, of course, all travelers traveling from other countries affected by coronavirus disease should follow guidance given by health workers at the airport and other border entry points. While the public is equally cautioned in case of anything to call some numbers. That is 0800 203 03 or 0800 100 06. Well, this is NTV Tonight. I'm Andrew Chamagiro. But before we go any further, this is a poll question tonight. Feel free to be a part of this conversation. Well, we are asking you tonight, what precautions have you taken to protect yourself and others from coronavirus? What precautions are you taking as a Ugandan to make sure that you're protecting yourself from and others from coronavirus? I'm Andrew Chamagiro and Maureen Nambadirwa on sign language. We're live from Kampala Serena Conference Center, and TV Tonight begins now.